Installing Composer on Windows 10. Open browser and go to https://getcomposer.org. Now click on Download button to go to the download page. For Windows installation, click on the text composer-setup.exe. It will start download the Composer file immediately. Click on the file to install it. We will install it for all users. So we will click on Install for all users. Then we will click on Next. And then we will update the Composer path I like to install. You can keep the default location if you want. Then click on Next and Next again. You need not to set up proxy. Click on Next and then Install button. Please note that you have to ensure that you have already installed PHP on your computer. Then click on Next again and at last click on Finish to complete the installation. Now I will open CMD to check if the Composer is installed successfully. The installation was successful. Thanks for watching.